some days on this shoot we would follow the insertion vehicle, whatever the contestants were riding in. So I'm getting some FPV shots of this vehicle going through the jungle here. And I thought that it would be pretty cool right here to just keep going up above the canopy for a reveal. Maybe they'll use that, maybe they won't. But anyway, it was pretty cool. And then I turned around, and now at this point I could still see down to the road where I was before, but for some reason I thought, oh, I'll just pop up over the canopy and come back towards where I was actually standing, which was sort of over here, I think. But honestly, I had a hard time telling in the moment. And so I guess I thought I was back more over here. So at this point, I'm standing up on that road under the canopy. Saul is standing with me, and I'm going, oh crap, I've come down somewhere. I'm trying not to bump into something and crash, and I can't hear the quad anymore. So yeah, at this point, I'm starting to freak out a bit because I can barely hear the quad in the distance. And now at this point, I think I'm actually going further away from us, and I can't hear the quad at all. So now it's quiet. Now I'm also losing signal. So my signal's in the red. Things are starting to get super dicey. Saul, thank God, was basically keeping me calm because I was kind of losing it. Also at this point, the other camera guys we were with are very anxious for me to get moving and don't quite understand why I'm not moving again. I thought at this point, oh, the road must be at this kind of open area, but I was nowhere near the road at this point. I was way down the hill, I think, towards the beach. Could not hear the quad, losing signal, hunting around. What looks familiar? Okay, up the hill. I should probably go up the hill. Now, I start heading back up the hill, and I can barely hear the quad at this point a little bit. Trying to keep it together. I think I'll just start sort of doing a little bit of a search pattern. I was thinking these kind of whitish trees looked familiar too, but I should know better. There's so much jungle. So yeah, searching around, also hearing the quad a little bit, and then trying to remember which way is my body facing. Saul was definitely helping me a lot here. And then trying to get back down through the trees in a way to, not bonk into something. It's always really hard dropping down like that. Oh, there's the road. Finally found the road, and there we are. Whew. So yeah, when you poke up through the trees in the jungle, you gotta be careful about getting back home. Mission accomplished.